Welcome back to Science in 60 Seconds. Ever cracked your knuckles and wondered what's really making that sound? It's not your bones snapping. Inside your joints is a fluid that keeps them moving smoothly. When you stretch or bend, tiny bubbles form in that fluid, and when they pop, you hear the crack. Scientists call this cavitation, and it's totally normal. Good news, cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis, though doing it too often might irritate your joints. So that satisfying pop, it's just bubbles bursting in your joints. Follow for more quick science facts.